How to remove text from video in Capcut PC. In this video, we will see how can we remove text from our original video on Capcut. So without any delay, let's get started. For that, firstly import the video from which you want to remove the text and drag it below to edit it. As you can see, there's a text on my video which I want to remove. Now how can we do it? Let me tell you, there's no easy method to remove text from our original video on Capcut, but we can follow a method that is overlapping. Here I have imported a picture and overlapped it on the video. Now you can edit the size of the picture you want to overlap and cover the text on the video. You can choose more suitable picture to overlap on the video and hide the text. And that's it. That is how easily you can remove text from Capcut. I hope this video was informative for you, and if it was, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for such tutorials. Thank you for watching till the end.